Today I'm with another exciting opportunity. This time it is from University of Brunei Darussalam. It is a completely funded scholarship and it is for both domestic and international students. Let me tell you there is no application fee and a large number of different fields are available to apply for both master's and doctoral programs. Then there are brief details. Location is Brunei and it is a fully funded scholarship. And the last date for application submission is 28th of February 2021. What are the benefits of this scholarship? This scholarship will provide you free housing from university, tuition fee waiver, separate allowance for your research work, free air travel ticket to and from your home country, and monthly allowances as well. Which fields are available? You can do your PhD in anthropology, applied linguistics, English literature, environmental studies, geography, history, Malay language and linguistics, Malay literature, professional communication and the media, art, sociology. You can do your master's in approximately same fields as above. UBD School of Business and Economics is providing you following courses. You can do your PhD and master's in management, economics, and finance. You can do your master's by coursework in business administration, management, logistics, applied economics, Islamic finance. You can do your PhD and master's by research in management, economics, and finance, and master's by coursework, as I already mentioned. There are other departments which are providing and offering various degree programs. You can do PhD, master's by coursework, and master's by research work in different fields. Let me tell you, there's a difference between master's by coursework and master's by research. Master's by research means you will need a research proposal and you will also upload it in the application form. On the other hand, you do not need a research proposal to submit for master's by coursework. You can thoroughly read these other programs as well. Next are the eligibility requirements. Both international and domestic candidates are eligible to apply. You should have a bachelor's degree at the time of application for master's studies. You should have a master's degree at the time of application for doctoral studies. You need to make a good research proposal according to your selected field. Last date for submitting, I already mentioned, 28th of February 2021. To visit the official website, what you have to do, go to this link. The following page will open. For graduate degree, applications are open since 3rd of December 2020 and will close soon on 28th of February 2021. These are for August 2021 intake. Now, what will you do? Simply click on graduate degree and the application will be opened. There are some important points while filling and submitting the online application. Fill all the mandatory fields. You will not be able to save or submit the application if you miss any field, any mandatory field. Make sure to fill your email address correctly. The electronic documents you need will be certified true copies of Brunei identification card or international passport. certified true copies of academic transcripts, A levels, O levels, HND, etc., including your university transcripts wherever applicable, and English proficiency tests as well, like IELTS, TOEFL, BC, etc. For international applicants, they will also need a security clearance letter from the country of origin. Certified English translation must be submitted for documents that are not in English language. You are reminded to click submit once you have completed the application. You must submit your application by the closing date of application. International students are required to send certified true copies of their academic transcripts by post in hard form to this address as well. Here I suggest you to copy and save this address in your phone or notebook or some safe place. It is a part 1 of the video. In part 2, I will fill the application form. Until then, stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us and send your queries in comment section. Stay safe and stay tuned to Scholarship Hive.